Hello students, this is the 24th part of concept of number theory. Today I am going to explain some problems based on concept of congruencies. Okay, what we did in part 23, I will explain once again. A congruent to B modulo M means M divides A minus B. A and B are integers and M is a natural number. Some properties. What is one by one I will write. A congruent to B modulo M. Then adding same quantity, nothing happens to the congruence. Subtracting same quantity, nothing happens to the congruence. Multiplying same positive quantity, nothing happens to the congruence. Same quantity, that's all. No need to mention positive also. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After that, another result, that is A congruent to B modulo M, comma C congruent to D modulo M. Then from this, what I can say? A plus C congruent to B plus D modulo M. A minus C is congruent to B minus D modulo M. AC congruent to BD modulo M. Okay. So here what happened? A comma B comma C comma D are integers and M is a natural number. After that, very very important property, A is congruent to B modulo M. Then A power n congruent to B power n modulo M. The last property, A congruent to B modulo M and B congruent to some D modulo M. Directly can say that A congruent to D modulo M. Okay, these are the results. Another important note, students, A congruent to B modulo M, and A and B are natural numbers and M are natural numbers, and B is lesser than M, then I can say that B is the remainder when A divided by M.
The question is, find the remainder when 2 power 1 follows 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is divided by 7. How to solve the problem, how to use congruency. Students, very very important model, listen and ask. What is question is asking? 2 power 10 power 6, 2 power 10 power 6, directly I can write. 2 power 10 power 6 divided by 7, what is the remainder? You don't want question, what is the remainder? So, already I explained one important thing, students. A is congruent to B modulo M. In this, A and B are natural numbers and B lesser than M. I can say that B is the remainder when A divided by M. Okay. Means what? Let the required remainder is, let the required remainder be X. Listen students, how can to solve the problem? 2 into 10 power 6 congruent to X modulo 7. Such X value and find none. This is the problem now. 2 power 10 power 6 congruent to X modulo 7. Such X value and find. How to solve this problem now? That is important now. How to proceed? How to find X? Try to do. We have a logical sequence. Try to find a power of 2. Actually, a power of 2 is 10 power 6 bigger one. Try to find a smaller power of 2 so that is nearer to 7. That is nearer to 7 means if that number divided by 7 either leaves remainder 1 or 2, like that. For example, 2 is there. 2 is congruent to 2 modulo 7 I can write. Correct only. 2 square means 4. 4 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 4 only, no? I can say that 4 modulo 7. 2 cube, 8. 8 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 1 remainder. I can say 2 cube congruent to 1 modulo 7. 2 power 4 congruent to 16, congruent to 2 modulo 7. such a way that you want to find a smaller exponent, Nana. So my required smaller exponent is 3 only. See here. So instead of this, I want numbers 1 or 2 or -1. Then only problem becomes easy for us. Using any one of the exponent, you can solve the problem. But easiest way is try to find a remainder here. You want to find 2 power something, Nana, 2 power something, so that it gives 2 power something congruent to x modulo 7. This x should be either 1 or -1 or 2 or -2. Then only problem becomes easy. So better to find the exponent of these two, so that x should be equal to 1 or -1. Such a way that you want to find smaller exponent. After that you can solve the problem easily. Okay. So what is my inspection? This inspection saying that the smaller exponent of 2 is 3. Then only you get the x is equal to 1. That I will write. Listen students, important question. 2 cube is congruent to 1 modulo 7. 1 is better one, Nana, here. So next what I am doing, I am using this concept. A is congruent to B modulo M. Then A power n is congruent to B power n modulo M. I want to raise the power. 1 power anything 1 only, no? That is the logic to get the 1 is there. So I want approach, I want to take a exponent which is nearer to the 10 power 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, divided by 3, what will get? 3 3s are 9, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I am doing here, I am raising the power 3 3 3 3 3 is congruent to 1 power 3 3 3 3 3 3 modulo 7. I hope you people understood what I am doing. I took 2 power 3 only to 1 modulo 7. Actually here you want bigger exponent, no? So I am creating that bigger exponent. So what I did, Nana, what I did here, I raised the power of 3 3 3 3. Then what we will get, I will write in next page. 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 congruent to, I think you need to take 5 3s only. I wrote 1 2 3 4 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5 only. Okay, sorry. Okay, what happened? 2 power 1 2 3 4 congruent to 1 for anything 1 only modulo 7. So what it shows? What this shows? When 2 power 9 9 9 9 9 divided by 7 gives remainder 1. But what you want? 2 power 10 power 6 you want. Means 1 more 2 you want. 2 power 9 is there, Nana. I want 2 power 10. 2 power 9 is congruent to 1 modulo. So for example, we got like this. I want 2 power 10. What you should do? Just here you need to multiply 2. Here you need to multiply 2. Because we have the property, no? A is congruent to B modulo M. Then AC congruent to BC modulo M only. Okay. That's why what I am doing here, students, 2 power 1 into 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 congruent to 2 power 1 into 1 modulo 7. So what I can say now, 2 power, so adding 1, base power should be added, no? So added to 1, what will get? I think 10 power 6 you will get. Congruent to 2 modulo 7. So what is the meaning of that? Interesting step, Nana, interesting step. 2 power 1 follow 6 zeros. Congruent to 2 modulo 7. So what is showing that if this number divided by 7, we are getting remainder as 2. Interesting problem. At last we need to write, therefore remainder equal to 2. Therefore remainder equal to 2. So it's very important model, Nana. Listen students, how I approach the problem. Once again I want to explain you people. Any problem, anything, 2 power something is divided by 7. What the remainder means? 2 power something congruent to x modulo 7. This is the first step of the problem. Such x value you want to find now. Yeah, bigger 2 0 2 1 something exponent they will give. 2 power or 3 power or 77 power or whatever it may be. 2 power 2 0 2 1 congruent to x modulo 7. We want x value. So what is the procedure? First of all, try to find a smaller exponent of 2 so that that number is divided by 7, leaves either remainder 1 or -1 or 2 or -2. But better one is try to find a smaller exponent of 2 so that the number 2 powers of the number divided by 7 leaves remainder 1 or minus 1, if possible. If not possible, your remainder with 2 or 3 also can solve the problem. So what happened in this problem, I observed that 2 cube is divided by 7, leaves remainder 1. That's why I use the 2 cube is congruent to 1 modulo 7. After the raising power concept, to raise the power so that is the value nearer to this. 2 to the 4, 5, nearer to this. I hope you people understood. Like that what I did, Nana, 2 cube is congruent to 1 modulo 7. 3 is what I did, 1, this number is divided by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I got? Something 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 3s after dot something I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I can say? I can raise this power. I can raise to this power. Okay. So what happened? Raise to the power 3, 3, 3, 3 other side. Then what I got? 2 power 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 congruent to 1 modulo 7. One more 2 I want. Either side multiply 2. After that I got the result. Then I can say that 2 is the required remainder when that this number is divided by 7. This is
listen students, 8 power 30 minus 1 is divisible by 31. Or I will use another problem after that. Find the remainder when 8 power 30 is divided by 31. I will change the question. Later I will write that. Okay, Ranjan. Find the remainder when 8 power 30 is divided by 31. Same process. Let x be the remainder. What I can write now? 8 power 30 congruent to x modulo 31. Okay, try to make this base as a smaller one than 8. No? 2 cube I can write that. 2 cube whole power 30 congruent to x modulo, that's such x I want. Or 2 power 90 congruent to x modulo 31. Listen students. So what is my plan? I want to find out x so that 2 power 90 is congruent to x modulo 31. This x should be less than 31. What we should do? We want to find out a smaller exponent of 2 which is related to 31. I will show you. 2 congruent to 2 modulo 31. 2 square 4 congruent to 4 modulo 31. 2 cube 8 congruent to 8 modulo 31 only. This number is not bigger. 2 power 4 16 again 16 congruent to modulo 31 only. But 2 power 5 32 1 congruent to modulo 31. Here see observe. You got one smaller number. 2 power 5 congruent to 1 modulo 31. 2 power 32. No, 32 minus 1 is divisible by 31 only. So what is my conclusion, Anna? What I am trying to explain you? Try to find 2 power something which gives nearer to 31. Multiply of nearer to multiply of 31. So what is I got 2 power 5 congruent to 1 modulo 31. 1 is better, Nana, here 1 or minus better, because if 1 is raised to any power, again you get 1 only. Minus 1 raised to even power 1 only. So that's a try to find out the value of x here which is nearer to 1 or 2 or 3. That is better. So now directly I can make the 2 power 90. So because 90 is a multiple of 5. 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 4s are 4, 18. I want to raise 18 power on another side. 2 power 5 power 18 is congruent to 1 power 18 modulo 31. What is the meaning of 2 power 90 congruent to 1 modulo 31? What is the meaning of that? 2 power 90 when divided by 31 leaves remainder 1. 2 power 80 or 8 power 30 both are same, congruent to 1 modulo 31. So what I can say, 8 power 30 divided by 31 leaves 1 is the remainder. Okay. But our problem is different. Indirectly that one only. Indirectly what he is saying that 80 power 30 minus 1 congruent to 0 modulo 31. Same meaning. What is saying that A is congruent to 0 modulo 31. What is the meaning of that? A is the multiple of 31. That is. Or A divisible by 31. Okay. Not understood. I will write again. 15 congruent to 0 modulo 5. I can write Nana, no problem. What is the meaning of that? 5 divides 15 minus 0. What is the meaning of that? 5 divides 15. What is the meaning of that? 15 is a multiple of 5. Or 15 is divisible by 5. All. If it is 0, directly you can say. That's why we want to prove that A is divisible by M. A is divisible by M. Or M divides A. What I can write? A is divisible by M. A congruent to 0 modulo M. Both are same. Both are give same. A is divisible by M. You want to prove that A divisible by M means when A divided by M, remainder is 0. Then only can say that A divisible by M. Understood? A divisible by M is what? When A divided by M, remainder should be 0. Okay. A congruent to 1 modulo M. What is the meaning of that? When A divided by M, 1 is the remainder. When 1 is less than M. Okay. But I got 0 remainder means what is the meaning? It's divisible. So indirectly, what is asking? 80 power 10 congruent minus 1 is a multiple of 31. Or another word, you can say that 31 divides 8 power 10 minus 1. 10 not 30. Okay. Or it is enough to prove that 8 power 31 minus 1 divided with 30, remainder 0. Or 8 power 30 minus 1 congruent to 0 modulo 31. Or it is enough to prove that 8 power 30 is congruent to 1 modulo 31. Indirectly, what problem saying that if your 8 power 30 divided by 31 leaves remainder as 1. Just now we proved, no? Using that, you can say that 8 power 31 minus 1 is a multiple of 30.